Clad Rex is the foremost manufacturer of vinyl-clad metal for decorative and functional applications. Our facility is located in the Midwest U.S. with global customers and suppliers. Clad Rex offers design solutions that are superior to competitive products and applications. Uniquely suited to high-traffic areas, Clad Rex vinyl metal is used by architectural firms for retail displays, restaurants, and hotels. Durable and scratch-resistant, vinyl metal is also the best choice for manufacturers of appliances. It can easily be cleaned without deterioration and is environmentally friendly. Clad Rex has hundreds of designs, including wood grain, leather, stone, metallic, geometric patterns, and many others. Another important advantage is the ability to fabricate the vinyl-clad metal with laser waterjet cutting, bending, hemming, punching, slotting, and stamping without delaminating. We are committed to our stakeholders with a 50-year history of experience in the vinyl-clad metal industry. We have highly skilled employees, committed ownership, superior customer service and support, strategic partnerships with suppliers, and guarantee customer satisfaction. Call us for a quote